Independence versus objectivity. Is independence and objective are one and the same? No. From an internal audit perspective, the internal audit activity should be independent and the internal auditor should be objective. So what is the difference? They should ensure dual reporting. That is, the internal audit activity should report functionally to the board of director and administratively to the top management, CEO and CFO. So what does that mean? For any kind of scope, any kind of resourcing, for all those things, they should consult with the board and get their approval and not the top management. If it is happening the other way around, if the internal audit team has to go to the CEO and CFO to get their resource approval, to hire an auditor, to have a scope related discussion, then the CEO and CFO or the top management can have an influence on the internal audit team, on the internal audit activity, which is impairing their independence. So let's look at objectivity. Say an auditor is assigned on a purchasing audit and he finds that his uncle is the purchasing team head. So now, after the auditor finds the observations, his uncle is influencing him, saying that don't report this item, it will impair my particular team's reputation. So now the auditor is actually confused or is in a dilemma. He is biased now whether to include it in the report or not to include it in the report. So this is where the objectivity of the auditor is impaired.